there's something deceptive in the way they present this issue of 2.9 billion, Mayor. It appears that from the columns written by even by a national columnist, it appears that what you got was cash instead of presenting it as a book value of the equipments way back from 1938 to the present, 36 to the present. Is this not part of the so-called continuing audit in the government?
Yes, because I'm sure si Di Guzman, sa kanyang panahon, sinabi ko sa kanya, sige, ayusin mo yan. Nandiyan ka na eh. So I wrote him a letter. Ito, kinuha namin sa record. It's 3/14/98. Mayor Ben, take note of the suggestion of COA. Kaibigan pa kami noon eh. Kindly implement the recommendations. Umalis na lang yung mama, wala pa rin siya nagawa. At tapos, in-extract nga nila ito. Ito yun eh. Yung red dyan, panahon ko yan, dapat yung gawin ko yung libro. Ito yung kanya, tingnan mo. Ito yung akin. Ngayon, ang sabi ng ko, anong gawin ko? Sabi niya, yung lahat equipments, lands. Okay, tinawag ko yung tesorero, pati yung assessor, pati yung... Paano gawin? Sabi niya, Mayor, kasi ganito yan eh. Property tapos value. Okay, sabi ko, gawin natin. Maski na wala tayong tulugan ito for 1 month. Eh, sabi naman ng accountant ko, hindi pwede, Mayor. Eh. Why? Wala tayong titulo. So, you mean itong opisina ko walang titulo? Ang yuta siya wala. O paano yung si Rizal dyan? Sige, tindig-tindig dyan. Wala pala silang title dyan. Lupa na yan. So sabi ko, wala. Sabi ko, susumin niya. Wala. Eh di ko sabi, puntahan mo si Magsaysay, bumaba siya dyan. Wala po. Hindi pala niya propiedad dyan. Bakit siya titindig-tindig dyan? Sabi ko, who are now the people na tanungin ko, anong binili mo? They're all in heaven. I have to make a trip to heaven. If pastor can do that, if that's possible, I might be able to come up with answers. Noong panahon ng gera, who was the idiot there who was the mayor? Sige daw? Collaborator talaga yun. The mayor at the time, during the Japanese occupation, must really be a collaborator. Bakit siya tanggap ng posisyon sa...
So yung audit na ginawa nila, from 1936 pa?
Yung libro, gusto nila, i-account nila na ano. Hindi yan pera, pastor, kaya kung pera yan, hindi ko talaga I have to borrow your tractor, yung ginagamit mo sa ano.
Pero it appears, Mayor, na yung 2.8 billion na sinasabi nila, it's only in your time.
Parang gano'n. At saka pinapalabas sila pera.
At saka lalabas pera.
But actually, these are book value of equipments and properties of the city.
So I go back again to my favorite quotation. They want me to appear, they want to appear white. So Sinugales pati anak niya. So they have to paint me black. Hindi man talaga sila puti. They are not pure. Pero since they want to they want to appear white, you paint your opponent black. Pinturahan mo ng alkitran yung anong gano'n ang style ng kamote. Na kung gano'n, I've been mayor, election. Gano'n ang nawala. Matagal na ako sa Muntinlupa. Long time ago, papayagan ka ako ng kuha na gano'n.
Talking of Muntinlupa, Mayor, if the basis of sending people to jail will be that basis which they are trying to present.
Lahat, Mayor. You can access the same website. Ang Wakati is 18 billion. Yun din ang sabi ni, he was suspended. Sabi rin actually, luko-luko ba kayo? Sino ang tanungin ko nito ngayon? Ako, 1936, hindi pa na-circumcise ang tatay ko.
very deceptive ang presentation.
Ito naman sinugi, ganun talaga siya. It's always been that way.
Dapat
You're
i-clear
saying
nila.
that we can access this in the internet?
Yeah.
COA record?
It's COA Philippines. Nandito sa ano? I don't know, kasi hindi ako marunong mag-access ako.
They're trying to-
Sabihin ko ito to, hindi talaga ako marunong mag ano. Do you have to www? Kung mag-ano ka? Hindi talaga marunong. Ito lang. Yung ano ba mag-access ka? www tapos
I think you just
.com?
Google it, Mayor. You just say,
Kuha
there's a
natin secretary
Google
niya.
window there which you can access.
Hindi ako marunong. Hindi ako naghahawak ng computer.